Hello everyone and welcome back. I'm just doing a video for 2023 seed pickup for some seeds that I got in. Um, I don't think I'll be planting all these for this coming summer, but it's just some seeds that I picked up that I found interesting and I'd like to eventually try. So, first off, I have some romaine lettuce. This one is Coastal Star, and this one is Paris Island Cos. Uh, I figured I'd try to do some lettuce, I guess, because of, I guess so at least I have fresh lettuce, and also seeing what the prices were in the grocery stores. They're kind of crazy for buying lettuce, not for prices, but other than that, I'd like to give them a try. Um, I got this tomato here, Queen of the Night. I found this interesting. It's sort of like black, multicolored skin on the outside, but when you cut it open, it's still sort of a reddish color. I've never tried eating these yet, but hopefully this summer I'll give these a try. Um, I got sunflower here. It's Peredovic. Um, and I got the sunflower titan here. Um, I like to eventually try to grow sunflowers, but I still have to try to find a place where to grow them. At the other property where I do the larger garden, maybe I could try to find a spot to grow them. Maybe, hopefully, fingers crossed, I'll try to do them for this summer. I got some scallions, I guess. I think there's another name we could use for them. Shallots, I think is the word for that's looking for. Scallions, shallots, I think they're the same thing. So these are parade, and these ones are Red Baron organic or Red Baron. These would be interesting to see how they turn out. Or I'm sure they still taste the oniony and stuff, but I don't know if you cut them open if they're gonna be red or white on the inside. I'm not too sure, but they got them just for something different. Got kohlrabi. This is super schmelz. These ones, if you grow them properly, supposedly they can grow up to 10 pounds each. But knowing me, I don't think they'll actually reach 10 pounds, but supposedly you can get 10 pounds per one kohlrabi. I guess if you grow them properly. I got another kohlrabi delicacy white. This is another kohlrabi early white Vienna. And this is early purple Vienna. With this here, it's just the skin that's sort of like a purplish color, but when you cut it open, it'll still be the same. It'll still sort of be a whitish color on the inside. This is Blauer Speck kohlrabi. Same thing. It's just sort of like a purplish skin on the outside, but when you cut it open, it'll still be a sort of like a whitish, greenish color. I got Saxa 2 radish. I like to try to grow some of these, or try to grow some of them for these this summer. Even the kohlrabis, I like to try to grow a few this summer. I got early scarlet globe radish. I got some dill. I like dill a lot. I remember my grandparents, my mother's side, they'd put it in salads, and my grandmother, when she'd boil potatoes, she'd put some dill in with the pot while the potatoes were boiling. Yeah, I like dill a lot. And I'll try to grow some of these this summer too. And chamomile, German, well, it's supposed to be German chamomile, even though it has a different name. Ah, yeah, here it is, German chamomile. I'm not sure if you can see it, but maybe I'll try to grow some of these this summer too, but I just have to try to find a spot where to plant them. So, It was sort of a short video, but quite a few of these I'll try to grow this summer. Um, the I just forget the shallots. I keep on forgetting the name for it. Um, I'm not 100% sure if I'll try to grow them this summer or not, but I don't know. I'll see when the time comes. I'll probably directly sow the seeds into the ground instead of starting them indoors. I guess a couple of weeks in pots before I guess growing season starts. But I don't know. But most of these I'd like to try to give a try. Well, the super schmelts. I'm not sure if I'll try that this summer or not, but the other kohlrabies I'll try to give a try this summer. It's just that I know with knowing me, I don't think they'll actually reach 10 pounds, but if not this summer, I'll try the summer after. But, well, actually, maybe I'll try a few just for the fun of it this summer to see what actually happens with them. So, just to try to compare with these with the other ones, just to see if I can actually get them big or not. So, anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to everyone after. Have a good day. Bye.